Back in the day when I first started, I did a tire repair and I forgot. Customer left and he was like, "Why is my tire making noise?" And I forgot to cut it. Alright, we're gonna be doing this quick tire repair. That way the pets shit. Currently waiting in line. My boy's over here fucking shit up. Oh, there you go. Yay. Shop is slow as fuck today. All we got is tire repairs, bro. Aww. There you go. Back in the day when I first started, I did a tire repair and I forgot to take this thing off. Customer left and he was like, "Why is my tire making noise?" And I forgot to cut it. Oh well, we learned though. That's one way of taking it off, I guess. Check it out, we're at 3,243 followers. We gotta grind harder, man. I really appreciate if you guys can follow me. Gotta make sure it's not leaking. That's why I put purple cleaner in it, because it's like soapy water. Yep, we're chilling. Something else I like to look for is making sure that the valve isn't leaking. Perfect. We're gonna torque this to 94. Yeah. That'll be it for this one. I can get started on the next car.